want to do anything at the moment.
I'll wash the dishes myself.
No.
I do it at Doug's house.
No. No.
Yes.
No.
Why?
Not cooking it in the microwave. No. That's even stupider. No. You're not cooking in the microwave.
It shows how to do it.
No. Jesus. Doesn't matter, my dad would say no himself. My dad would say no himself. Dude, he doesn't want your shit in here either. Like he don't do these food in here. He doesn't even want you to go in the fridge unless I'm there.
Okay. What did I do?
Nothing, he just doesn't want you in his fridge.
Really?
Hey, it's his place. He makes it whatever he wants to be. Kind of like Doug. No, it's not.
No reason.
Ramen is different than fucking ravioli, which is a sauce food.
Yeah, and it's put on a plate. That's made for microwave.
No, it's not.
It's so expensive. It's so expensive.
Not really meant for the microwave.
Yeah, but someone's gonna. I've had this here 4 times now. Someone never takes time to cook it.
I never cared enough to cook it because I never am hungry at the time you bring it over.
Yeah.
You always bring it over at a time when I've already eaten something. Huh? I have no idea. This game is just weird sometimes. You die in the stupidest things. I touched the server near stupid bullshit. Yada yada yada. Okay then, that was random. Huh? Yeah, I can imagine. That way you wouldn't follow anyone else's rules. You could cook whenever you wanted to. Sure. Yeah. Agreed. How much? The electric steel armor uses an invisible electromagnetic pulse to deflect and absorb up to 66% of all damage. Wow. Oh man, it's gonna get unbelievable later on. What is this? No. Scott Pilgrim versus the World. Why? Goddamn. And boom. Well, that was similar to my first time playing this game. So yes, people, you heard an interesting discussion, correct? I know I did. I died. Great. I think it's on my board. What are you doing?
I don't open a can.
Why?
I need it cold. Probably get sick.
I don't know if that's a... I don't know. Let me look at it.
Because you probably don't have a can opener.
I think this is actually a lid opener.
You don't even have a can opener.
We do somewhere. I don't know where. So, technical problems with the can opener I cannot seem to have, or find anywhere apparently. This is why I died the first time I won. That's right. Place sucks. Okay then, that was eventful. So, has there ever been a reason why you don't ever make that a Doug? Why? So? Okay, so this is wonderful. Also, why do you think you'd get sick from eating ravioli cold? You can eat it, but you can't eat it cold. No rules against it. Stuff's already kind of cooked anyway. God damn it, man. Yeah. Alrighty then. I think that'll be the end of today. Yeah, I thought after one more death I was going to end it because this place is ridiculous and I don't want to deal with it at the moment. The same what happened last time I did this. And now I have 70,000 volts, which I still don't know what to spend on.
Nor will I ever. Bye-bye.